Hello there. My name is Teacher Ivy, and I am an English teacher from the Philippines. I have been teaching English online for over 5 years, helping students of all ages and levels improve their communication skills and gain confidence in using English. I'm also a certified English teacher with a 120-hour TEFL certificate, which has equipped me with effective teaching techniques to support learners from different backgrounds. Throughout my teaching journey, I've had the pleasure of working with students from various countries, especially Japan, as well as Korea, China, and Vietnam. Meeting students from different cultures has been one of the most rewarding parts of my job. My classes are friendly, patient, and student centered. Whether you want to improve your grammar, pronunciation, phonics, conversational English, travel English, or general English skills, I will create lessons that match your needs and learning goals. I believe that learning English should be enjoyable and stress free. That's why I always encourage my students to speak confidently and learn at their own pace in a comfortable environment. Mistakes are welcome because they are an important part of learning. If you're looking for a teacher who is supportive, encouraging, and passionate about helping you succeed, I would be very delighted to be part of your English learning journey. I hope to see you in my class soon. Have a wonderful day.